Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and I apologize if I'm scaring you by showing up in full screen here. But I'm so excited because I just checked my mailbox and the stickers have arrived. I'm trying not to dox myself by covering up my address and stuff, but I haven't even opened these things yet, man. So we're gonna open them up together and take a look. Um, so ah man, oh smokes, they really did not want you getting into this thing accidentally, I guess. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, this is so cool. I gotta get through this. Man, they really package these things well, let me tell you. Oh yeah. Look at that. I can't, it's hard. There you can yeah, my you can see them, but no, they're actuals and they're nice. They're nice quality. Look, oh, they look so good. I wish I could show these to you guys like better than what I can on using this. These look so good. They're just crisp and they're really good quality. I mean, they're like you're like a real vinyl sticker stuff. Look at these things. Look at them. I got it all here. I got all these stickers here, man. So, like I said before in my previous video, man, I have my PO box. It'll be listed in the description of this video, right? If you want one of these stickers, I will send you one absolutely free. Just send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, and I will get you one. These are so cool. And if anybody wants to help me out, and you can go to Sticker Mule. Um, I let me share my screen out here. Um, but you can go to Sticker Mule in my store. That's the only sticker that's out there, and this is really only just to try to have this appear at the Fabric Community Summit over in Stockholm, right? Because this was that was the going to be the prize essentially is that your sticker gets featured at the European Microsoft Fabric Community Conference, right, from September 24th to 27th. So I mean, these things I ordered these things maybe like 5 days ago. So if there's still time to get them there, if anybody wants to help me out, I'll Venmo you the cost. All right, just send me a selfie with you at the Fabric Conference in the community lounge and distributing the stickers, man. And I will get you your money back. Because I mean, nothing against these stickers that won, but we got twice as many votes as this sticker, and this sticker won. We got 3 times as many votes as this sticker, and this sticker won. We got geez, 5 times as many votes as this one, right? And that was another winner. And this one we got like 8 or 9 times as many votes, right? So those were the numbers. So clearly people out there wanted this sticker, right? So I'll have this link also in the description. Maybe anybody wants to help me out. But yeah, man, these are super cool, and I'm excited. So that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.